This video will guide you through using our CPD events calendar. To access the events calendar, simply log on to our website, click the Professional Development tab, and then click on the CPD and Event Calendar tab. From here you can see it's broken down by month. You can click through the months and have a look at what's on. You can also filter your search based on location or by event type. You can also click on the name of the course to look at a quick overview of what it's about. You can also click the View More button, which will redirect you to the product page, and from here you can go ahead and book the course. Thank you for watching.